Hey, it is Xaber once again, and in this video I want to show you how you can use Yolo8 to set up a clicker which will be going through Blum Minigame. And for starters, let's import pack of forums which I have prepared before this video. So click on import, paste the link, it will be automatically pasted, click on download, then import, and the last thing you have to do is bind this clicker to a specific Blum window. So to do this, just drag this onto the window, and now if you click on F10, I have bound this clicker on F10, so F10 enables and disables it. You can click it whenever you want, just activate Blum window, click on F10, and as you can see, my cursor snaps to this flower, which means that it is actually working and it will be clicking on the flowers. So now let's check how it works. This is the trigger which does object detection, so it is responsible for finding flowers, bombs, and ice cubes on the screen. And yeah, let's just give it a go. Click on play and click on F10. Yeah, and as you can see, the bot has started clicking, and it detects flowers which are falling from above. And by the way, usually by the end of this game, it gets up to 200 points, up to and above, which is not realistic. So keep in mind that this is an example, so you probably shouldn't be using it for playing like 150 games in a row with such results. You can tune it down, tune the performance down a bit by increasing this timeout right here. So click on this behavior tree, which is the actual logic. In this case, it is extremely simple. All this behavior tree does is it checks that we have at least one flower on the screen, and if yes, then it moves mouse to it and clicks on it. And it does that check 20 times per second. So for example, by increasing this timeout, you can decrease the results. So right now it does 20 checks per second. By increasing this to 100, you can reduce this number to 10 checks per second, which is probably a bit more realistic. Your scores will get down a bit, but that way you probably won't be banned, especially if you will tune other parameters such as mouse move smoothing algorithm, which will make every mouse movement appear more humane. And yeah, that's it. I want to say a few words about how it works. We have a trigger which is responsible for capturing the image, so it captures image of the game, and then it uses neural network to do object detection. So it feeds neural network an image of the captured window and gets coordinates of found objects back. And we have a second aura which is responsible for clicking. It does only two simple actions. The first one is it moves a mouse to coordinates of the first found flower and just left clicks on it. That is it. That is the whole logic. And tree, I have already shown you the tree. It is responsible for wiring up image capture, object detection using neural network, and clicking in one place. So for example, I have told you that we can use this parameter to control how often the tree will tick. So for example, again, let's roll it back to 50, which will make it tick 20 times per second. And you can throw in additional nodes. For example, node cooldown will do quite a similar thing. It will make it so our clicker won't be clicking more often than 20 times per second. So even if we will decrease this parameter to 10 milliseconds, this node will ensure that after the successful click, at least 50 milliseconds will pass before the next one. So, and yeah, you can play around a bit, you can improve the logic, you can make it click on ice cubes, for example, if you want to. That's it. That is the most simple clickers that we can use. If you want something more complex, you can always throw in C# script, and actually nodes in 3 can support C# scripting, so you can write a script which will be doing anything. So it potentially can do things like move mouse to the closest flower to increase efficiency or something. So yeah, I'll leave it up to your imagination. And that is all I wanted to say in this video. See you in the next one.